Hello everyone. I am a member of Team Bug Hunter. We will be showing you our prototype on the problem statement 25141, that is Student Innovation Swadeshi for Atmanirbhar Bharat Toys and Game Revolution. So, as you can see within our PPT, we have made a gamified learning app. So, this is our app. The name of our application is STEMQuest, which is a Swadeshi inspired gamified learning platform. The theme of this application can be considered as game and heritage and culture. Over here we have three cards consisting of a student login, teacher login and an admin login. The website also shows us the platform features, that is gamified learning, works offline, a separate teacher dashboard and a secure access. Over here when we click on the login, initially the student needs to get registered and then one can log in. When we enter the login initials and the password, we can log in. Over here this is a student dashboard which has the student XP and badges that the student will get and even the achievement. Over here we also support video lectures, notes and PDF, quizzes and games. So when I click on a game section, it will take us to a new tab which has for the time being 4 games, but we'll add more games. Over here this is a maths challenge game where if I enter the right answer, that is 13 minus 6 will give us 7, it says correct, and if I click on a new question we'll get a randomized question. Over here if I click 4, it will print wrong answer and it will also provide us the correct answer. This is a periodic matching table. Over here we need to move and place it. So over here when I place H on hydrogen, the answer is matched. But when I place O on hydrogen, wrong answer. We need to try again. This the third game, that is the Gilli Danda math. Over here when I do when I provide a proper answer like 8 into 2 is 16 and click on hit, we can see that it shows the answer you hit the gilli so far. Now if I give a new swing, I get a new answer, new question. And if I press 7 over here and hit, that is the missed, it shows that is missed and the correct answer was 8. Now the last game that we have made for the time being is Kabaddi word guess. Here we need to unscramble the words. So over here DIAIN, which can be spelled as INDIA. As you can see, the answer shows as Kabaddi, you tag the opponent. Similarly, if I guessed a wrong answer, it shows the wrong answer, try again. For the time being, these are our games. I can go to the dashboard. Now if I do teachers login, the teachers login also does in the same way. I need to enter the name. I need to enter the name and type the password and do login. Then this is what it shows: the quiz score, top performer and the active number of students within the app. It also shows the pie graph of each student and the grades, their last quiz attempt and whether they are passed or not. We even have provided an export process CS, which provides us an Excel sheet for that, for the data. Now the admin part over here, when I do a login, I type the login ID and then its password, then I can log in. This is the admin dashboard. Over here it shows the number of approvals, total number of teachers and number of students. In this I can even perform the pending registration, that is I can either approve a student or reject a student. When a student is approved, he can log in within the app. That is, he gets registered. If he is rejected, he is not registered and he cannot log in from that particular ID. Over here, the names, we have also provided names of teacher who are teaching within the application and the number of students that are present over here.